Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll guide you on how to change the download location in Firefox. This will help you organize your downloaded files better and save them exactly where you want. First, open the Firefox browser on your computer. Then, click on the three horizontal lines icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. When the Settings page opens, scroll down until you see the Files and Applications section. Under the Downloads heading, you'll find two options. If you want all your downloaded files to be saved in a specific folder, click the Browse button next to Save Files To. A new window will appear, where you can select your preferred folder, such as Desktop or any custom folder you've created. Once selected, click Select Folder to confirm. If you prefer Firefox to ask where to save files every time you download something, choose Always Ask You Where to Save Files. This option is particularly useful if you frequently save files to different folders. Once you've made your changes, simply close the Settings tab. Firefox will automatically save the changes you've applied. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with more tutorials from Easy Tech Steps. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.